Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top hodler on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFXBook third-party track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you are definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about gold. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders analysis to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders. And then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is in a very strong uptrend. We have seen this massive push to the upside. Every impulse and correction was immediately met with strong institutional buying pressure, which again we will speak about in just a few minutes when we move to the commitment of traders analysis. And what we can see is that right now we just got a new impulse to the upside, new correction. So there is now the possibility to see again institutional buying pressure entering the market. However, this correction is still in process, so we don't know if already we're starting to see the buying pressure enter the market or if we will see a deeper correction. The only thing that we can do is start to measure the correction by taking our Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse leg, and this will show us how the 0.618 was the retracement level which stopped the market when we had the start of this correction, and right now we are at the 50%. Now there is the possibility to see a rejection of the 50% because usually the levels get tested one by one. So first we get a test of the 0.618. If that holds, the next level would be the 50%. Then you would see the 0.32, and then if the uptrend is to continue, we should see new highs. So on the monthly, everything is quite clear. Let's keep it in mind and drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below if you have any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in the next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. From a weekly perspective, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is entering a level of quite important structure. In fact, this zone was previously acting as resistance. The market then broke it to the upside. It became support and the market respected it as support already 3 times. Right now, it seems like we're starting to see another test of the zone. Let's keep it in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, I spoke about gold just a few days ago when the market was here and explained all the reasons for which from this level I was expecting a rejection to the upside, which in fact is exactly what the market just provided. And by the way, I will link that previous analysis in the description so you can go and check it out for more free education. But at the moment, what do we have? Well, before we dig deeper here from a technical perspective, first, let's go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders. So what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we're looking at the data for gold, we have to keep in mind how we are already looking at gold against the USD. And what we can see is that net positions have been dropping massively. We went from 171.6k net positions down to 154.2k net positions. What this means is that institutions mainly have been closing their longs. In fact, we went from actually the high was all the way close to 300k longs. We are now at 200k. So we had 100,000 longs being closed during this push to the downside on gold. So it comes as no surprise, of course, that if institutions are closing all their longs, you're supposed to have a correction, which, by the way, is exactly what we saw at the beginning of the analysis on the monthly. All this push is just a correction of the monthly uptrend. That is why multi-time frame top-down analysis is so important. It is because you can see on lower time frames and also on higher time frames, first the bigger picture and then the actual day-to-day price action. So we know that this move to the downside is just a higher time frame correction, and we are keeping in mind that that is coming mostly from institutional profit taking on the longs, which, as we just saw, got decreased from 300K to 200K, but we don't see strong selling pressure yet. So that is important to keep in mind. Institutions are still not adding massive shorts. So what does that mean? Well, if we go back here to the technical side of the market, the fact is that the current situation is not very clear is also reflected in the price action. In fact, we have a situation in which neither buyers or sellers are fully in control of this market. We actually have a range at the moment developing, with the top of the range being here and the bottom of the range being here. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you also find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. Now, until the market will remain in between these two levels, what we could see is more horizontal price action as the market remains bounded in between these two levels. But what would be interesting is a breakout either to the downside or to the upside from this range, followed with institutional position taking, so either to the bullish side or to the bearish side. So personally, at the moment, I don't see anything interesting until the market will remain in between these two levels. And as usual, if we will see a breakout either to the upside or to the downside, I will provide an update, because as traders, the most important thing is knowing when there is no clear direction. The only thing, if you are a person that likes to trade ranges, potentially, if that is what you are into, of course, it seems like at the moment the market is in a range, but usually gold likes to trend. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a break to the downside or break to the upside very soon. And that, of course, is something that I will create an update for. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially, you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're opened, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it, because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program, because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished, and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education, and I will see you in my next video.